Hello everyone, now we'll solve a set from arrangements, particularly circular arrangements. So the question is 8 delegates namely Amit, Aman, Rajesh, Rakesh, Hitesh and Himesh, Naman and Nayan are seated in two concentric circles with 4 persons around each circle in such a manner that each member of inner circle sits exactly opposite to one of the members of the outer circle. Then each of the delegates represents a different nation, namely India, China, Japan, Russia, Nepal, Malaysia, France and Spain, not necessarily in the same order. Further, it is given that, so now we have clues. We have been given that there are two concentric circles, 4 people are sitting in each circle. People sitting in these 4 circles, they are facing towards each other. So obviously the people sitting in outer circle, they'll be facing towards the center. People sitting in the inner circle, they'll be facing away from the center. So the first clue here is Amit, who is from Russia, faces the immediate neighbor of the person who is from Japan. Second one is Naman is sitting second to left of Nayan, and the delegates from Nepal and India seated in different circles. So this is regarding the nation that these people are belonging to, also their positions wherever they are sitting. Then if we read the questions, first one here is who is facing the Malaysian delegate. Second one is who among the following delegates is from Nepal. Third is which of the following countries does Hitesh belong to. Last one is which of the following is true about the delegate who is from Spain. So we can only answer this question if we know who is from which country and who is facing whom. Also if we know their positions, then we can easily answer these questions. Let us go to the next slide. We'll form a figure of two concentric circles. We'll try to position each and every one and answer the questions. So here we have two concentric circles. How can 8 people sit? 4 will be sitting like this, 4 will be sitting like this. So these are the points where these people will sit. So all the people who are sitting in the inner circle, they will be facing away from the center. People sitting in the outer circle, they'll face towards the center. Though it was not written initially, but in the last clue you will find out that they are facing away from center towards the center. So I am beginning with that only. Now let us try to solve it. 8 delegates namely Amit, Aman, Rakesh, Rajesh, Hitesh, Himesh, Naman and Nayan are seated in two concentric circles with 4 persons around each circle in such a manner that each member of the inner circle sits exactly opposite to one of the members of the outer circle. Each of the delegates represents a different nation, namely India, China, Japan, Russia, Nepal, Malaysia, France and Spain, not necessarily in the same order. Further, it is given that Amit, who is from China, so we have been given Amit is from China. So we'll keep noting down the direct clues here, okay? We do not know where to place him, so we'll move forward. He faces the immediate neighbor of the person who is from Japan. So there is a clue related to this. We'll just underline it. We'll use it later. We cannot use it right now. Second one is Naman is sitting second to left of Nayan, and the delegates from Nepal and India are seated in different circles. So Naman is sitting second to left of Nayan. So this means that they will be in the same circle. So let me write it over here. Naman and Nayan, they are in same circle, but we still do not know which circle. After that, the delegates from Nepal and India are seated in different circles. So Nepal and India, they'll be in different circles. Let me write down the people who are sitting in different circles over here. Let me write it over here. Nepal will be in another circle. Person from India will be in another circle. We still do not know whether inner or outer circle. Next clue is Rakesh is not from either China or Nepal and faces Naman. So Rakesh and Naman, they are facing each other. So definitely Rakesh will be in some other circle, not in the circle of Naman. Then Rakesh is not from either China or Nepal. So I'll write it over here. Rakesh is not from China, not from Nepal, okay? Faces Naman, who is neither from Malaysia nor from Spain. So Naman, not from Malaysia, not from Spain, okay? Next clue is the delegate from France faces the delegate from India. So France, India facing each other. That means France will be in some other circle. So we'll have France in other circle. France and Nepal will be in same circle because now France and India are facing each other. So till now we have 3 countries. We know who are in different circles. So we still do not know whether they are in inner or outer circle. Then the members sitting in the outer circle are Hitesh, Himesh, Naman and Nayan. So now we know Hitesh, Himesh, they are in same circle and they are in the outer circle. So let me write OC here. Okay, inner circle will be Rakesh, Rajesh, and who are the other two people left? We have Amit and then we have Aman. I hope this is clear. And all of them are facing towards the center. So I took it initially that people sitting in the outer circle, they will face towards the center. The same has been said over here. Sixth clue is the delegate who is from Malaysia is sitting immediate left of Nayan. Now we know Nayan is in outer circle and the person from Malaysia is sitting immediate left of Nayan. So person from Malaysia will be in the outer circle only because Nayan is in outer circle. Person from Malaysia is sitting immediate left of Nayan. So let me write it over here as well. Person in outer circle, Malaysia. Okay. Himesh, who is not from Japan. So Himesh is not from Japan. So Himesh not from Japan is not facing Amit. So Himesh will not face Amit. Let me write not Amit. Okay, over here. Then seventh clue is the delegate from Malaysia and Spain are immediate neighbors and one of them is facing Aman who is from China. So Malaysia and Spain are immediate neighbors of each other. Spain will also be in the outer circle and one of them is facing Aman who is from China. So China guy will be in the inner circle. Let me write China over here. Then the delegates who are from France and Russia are seated in the same circle but they are not immediate neighbors. So France and Russia are in same circle. I'll write Russia over here, but they are not immediate neighbors. Last one is the members sitting in the inner circle are Amit, Aman, Rajesh and Rakesh. All of them are facing away from center. Now we clearly know that Amit is from Russia and Amit is sitting in the inner circle. So that means all these countries, they will be in the inner circle. These countries, they will be in the outer circle. So now we know Amit is in inner circle. He is from Russia. So we can start by placing Amit. Sorry, this was Aman. Okay, Aman is from China, not Amit. So Amit is from Russia. So Amit is here. He is from Russia. Then we were given that the delegates 8 clue who are from France and Russia are seated in same circle but they are not immediate neighbors. So very clearly we cannot have France over here or over here. He'll be opposite to Russia. So France will be over here. Then we were given that in this clue, fourth one, the delegate from France faces the delegate from India. So India will be over here. Now in the very first clue we are given Amit who is from Russia. We have used this faces the immediate neighbor of the person who is from Japan. So definitely Japan will be either over here or over here. So we can say that Japan will be in the outer circle. So let me write Japan over here with India. Then in the sixth clue we are given that the delegate who is from Malaysia is sitting immediate left of Nayan. So Malaysia and Nayan, they are in the same circle. Nayan is in the outer circle, so Malaysia will also be in the outer circle. So I can say Malaysia is also in outer circle. Then in the seventh clue, the delegates from Malaysia and Spain are immediate neighbors of each other. That means again Spain will be in the same circle of Malaysia. So Spain will be here in the outer circle. Only one country remains, that is China. So China will be in the inner circle. Now in the third clue we were given that Rakesh is not from either China or Nepal and faces Naman who is neither from Malaysia nor from Spain. So Rakesh is not from China, not from Nepal. Nepal, China, they are in inner circle. Rakesh cannot be from Nepal, not from China. Rakesh cannot be from Russia because already Amit is from Russia. So Rakesh can only be from France. So we'll write Rakesh over here. I hope this is clear. And Rakesh faces Naman. It was given in the statement 3. So we'll write Naman over here. So Naman will be from India now. Then in the second clue we were given Naman is sitting second to left of Nayan. So Nayan will definitely be over here because Naman is here. So Nayan will be over here. Then in the sixth clue we were given the delegate who is from Malaysia sitting immediate left of Nayan. So Malaysia will be over here. We'll remove Japan from here. We'll write Malaysia over here. So person from Japan will be over here. Then we were given in the seventh clue the delegates from Malaysia and Spain are immediate neighbors. So Malaysia is over here at the bottom, Spain will be over here, so Nayan will be from Spain now. Then we were also given in the 7th clue that one of them is facing Aman, who is from China. So one of them, that means either the person from Spain or Malaysia, one of them will face Aman, okay, who is from China. Already the person from Spain is facing Amit, who is from Russia. So definitely person from Malaysia, he will face Aman, who is from China. I hope this is clear. Now in the inner circle we had 4 people. They were Rakesh, Rajesh, Amit and Aman. So we have included 3. Only Rajesh is remaining. Rajesh will be here. Only one country in the inner circle is remaining, that is Nepal. So Rajesh will be from Nepal. In the outer circle only 2 people are remaining. Naman, Nayan have been used, so Hitesh and Himesh are remaining. Now we were given that Himesh is not from Japan over here. We had a clue over here. So Himesh is not from Japan, so Himesh will be at the bottom. He will be from Malaysia. Only one person remains, that is Hitesh. Definitely he'll be from Japan. So we have completed the arrangement. We can answer the questions now. Let's go to the next slide. The first one is who is facing the Malaysian delegate. So it is Aman. Option B will be the answer. Second one is who among the following delegates is from Nepal. So it is Rajesh. Option C. Third one is which of the following countries does Hitesh belong to? He is from Japan. Option D will be the answer. Last one is which of the following is true about the delegate who is from Spain? So Spain is over here. He faces the delegate from Russia. It is correct. The delegate sitting opposite to him is from China. This is incorrect. Third one is he is on the immediate left of delegate who is from Russia. Again this is incorrect. None of the above. Only option A is correct. He faces the delegate from Russia. So we have answered the questions. Option A will be the correct answer over here. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.